In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Shopify's settings to manage your shipping and delivery options effectively. Let's get started by heading over to the Shopify admin page. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your store activities. It's essentially the home section, which will show you key metrics and updates. Next, to adjust your delivery settings, look for Settings at the bottom of the sidebar and click on it. You'll be directed to the General Settings area where you can find various store configuration options. Here, you want to click on Shipping and Delivery. This will open up a page where you manage different shipping options for your store. Now, scroll down to the Local Delivery section and click on it. Doing so will allow you to set up local delivery options for your customers, which is particularly handy if you're looking to offer flexible delivery solutions within a specific geographic area. After entering the local delivery page, you'll notice a Setup button. By clicking it, you'll be able to configure your delivery parameters. Navigate through the list of countries and find United States, which is most likely where you'll be setting up delivery options. Select it to access specific settings for that region. On this page, you'll find an option that's highlighted to make it more apparent. Click on that to proceed further into configuration. Pay attention to the location status. Selecting this will take you to a page where you can verify and adjust location-specific settings. This might include operating hours or areas served, which are crucial for accurate local delivery. Next, look for the Delivery Zones tab. This is where you'll delineate the areas you can deliver to within your chosen location. By specifying these zones, you ensure that your delivery promises align with the capabilities of your logistics. Ahead, you'll click on Local Delivery. This action will help to refine your setup for orders within your service area, giving your customers localized shipping options at checkout. As you tweak these settings, you'll come back around to the Shipping and Delivery menu to review any adjustments. Once satisfied, make sure to hit Save to record all your changes. This action finalizes the updates to your store's delivery settings, and it's always a good idea to double-check everything before concluding. You then want to repeat the process, this time focusing on store pickup options, which include navigating to the Pickup in Store settings for the United States. Similarly, upon finding this option, click to highlight and look through the expected pickup date settings. This feature is fantastic for customers who prefer to collect their purchase directly from you. Don't forget to also review store transfers and ready for pickup notifications. These are essential in managing your internal inventory and keeping customers informed about the status of their order. Lastly, the checkout preview gives you a chance to see what your customers will see during checkout, so it's a great way to test your setup before it goes live. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now ready to optimize your Shopify store's delivery and pickup features. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.